Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show all the products that I got from Miniso. So I ordered them on Amazon and I got a lot of useful items, and the ones that I show, I'm sure you guys must have not tried them or must have known them, and you'll be shocked at the prices. So to find out what are those items, just subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. I am a fashion stylist, a designer and a beauty influencer from Hyderabad, India. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show all of the items that I got from Miniso over Amazon. So you'll be shocked at the prices as well. So I'm going to mention one by one prices. So let's get started. So the first item that I want to speak about is this. So I have the bill right here and I'm going to tell about the prices. And oh my god, I love the items from Miniso because they are so affordable and they are so good. So it is very easy, and you know, it's a budget friendly brand, and since it is also on Amazon, it is so easy to order. Right now you can just order sitting at home. So I shop a lot of items from Miniso. So the first product is, I am such a perfume person because I love to buy perfumes and I shop so much. Like I always love to try different perfumes. So I got this set from Miniso. So it is the Miniso Twinkle Stones Deodorant Body Spray, and there are 4 variants. That is the Rose, Sea Mist, Sunset Purple and Nightshade. So it contains 75 ml and it comes in a pack of 4, and it is nothing but 360 rupees. That's it. So I just remove this tape. So this is how it is. I'm going to smell one by one and I'll tell you which is my favorite of the 4. So the first one is this purple one, and this is the Twinkle Stones Deodorant Body Spray in Sunset Purple, and let's smell how this is. So I'll spray it on my top. I think I love this. So I'm going to tell which one I love of the 4 in the last. So the next one is the Nightshade. So it comes in this black packaging. So let's smell how is this. This is like your routine. I'm neutral about this smell. I didn't like it that much. And let's see another one. So this is the Sea Mist. It comes in this blue packaging. This one is also very good. And the last one is the Rose Cloud. It comes in this pastel pink packaging. This has the typical rose fragrance. If you want to buy individually, each is for 90 rupees. So I think the favorite is, I'll just tell you. So my favorite is the purple one, Sunset Purple. This is the favorite of all the 4. And the next one, if I have to give, I would give for this blue one. This smells amazing. So those are the 4 perfumes I got from Miniso. So next I'm going to talk about 3 face washes that I got from Miniso. I love to experiment various face washes, and since I get so much PR, I'm so confused. Like I have to try these products. So I very few times I buy face washes because I get sent so much PR, and I love the face washes from the Face Shop. So if a face wash needs to get a tick mark from me, it has to beat that benchmark. So I'm going to try out these face washes that I got from Miniso. Got 3 variants and I'm going to show them to you all. The first one is this oil control face wash in Neem. You need an oil control face wash. Even if I'm a dry skin, I need an oil control face wash because it is summer right now and we are sweating so much. So you need something to tame your the sweat or the perspiration down. And it contains Neem and it has 100 ml. So it comes in this pastel blue packaging. And the next one is the favorite, aloe vera. So this is the hydrating face wash in aloe vera, and it comes in this pastel green packaging. And the next one is this deep cleansing face wash. It contains charcoal and it comes in a black gray kind of a packaging. So these are the 3 face washes I got from Miniso. And moving on, so I love to use a beauty blender, and I actually use for makeup I use beauty blender first and then I apply with a brush. So I got the beauty blender from Miniso. I got this. It looks like a Momo, and this is very good to buff up your face. But however, this part I don't think you can use for under the eye, but definitely to buff up your forehead and your cheeks, this is very good. So it's like a baby Momo, and it is for 200 rupees. Okay, so the next item I got the color tip cotton swabs, and this is for 190 rupees. Can you believe it? And you're getting 420 pieces. I always buy my cotton swabs from Miniso because you get a huge amount, and the 1000 one that I got earlier I showed in a previous video, even that is still going on. I think almost 200 are left in that, but I decided to grab these, and it is for just 190 rupees, and it has this green tip. So I use it to remove my kajal when I apply nail polish, to remove that for all of those. So it's a must, and you can even reuse this box after you complete using this. So yeah, this is another item I get from Miniso. Always I buy my cotton swabs from Miniso. So the next item is this razors which I got. So I like to, being in this field, I always ensure that I remove my hair, like I remove twice a week. It is for 190 rupees, and you get a pack of 10. So for 190 rupees you're getting a pack of 10. You know that women razors are so expensive, and you know the Gillette ones, I use the Gillette ones, the Venus one, and but I decided I'll try these. When I edit this video, I'm going to mention here how they are, how sharp they are, and how many times you can reuse. So I'm going to definitely mention here when I edit this video. So let me just cut open this, and we're going to see how they are. So this is one razor. It matches my top, and it is in this pastel pink kind of a color. So it has a 2 blade. So I like to, the baby hairs you can remove in the shower itself, be it your hands or your legs and even your underarm, and you're just getting it for 190 rupees. Come on, that is so budget friendly. So I am going to show the last item that I got from Miniso. Oh my god, this is so good item. So it is nothing but the Miniso beauty mirror. So this is what I got, and it is for 500 rupees, I think. It's very budget friendly, and it is so good. So I'm going to put it on my vanity. So you can put it like this, and you can put it on your vanity. It is so good. Just look at this. The quality is also very good, and it's a dual sided mirror, so you can rotate it. So you can see back side as well, and you can rotate it. So this is how you place it, and you can rotate it for, so you can rotate it. This is a normal side, and this is a 2x zoom. So you guys, if you're doing an eye look, being a beauty influencer, for me this is a must have. So I love the quality of this, and it gives that luxury feel. So those are all the items that I got from Miniso. It is a mini Miniso haul, you can say. I loved whatever I have got. Perfumes I have reviewed here itself, and for the face washes I will experiment them in my Instagram. So do follow me in my Instagram, because I do a lot of content on my Instagram wherein I share mini reviews. So do check out. And I really love the mirror, and whatever I got, I really needed them, and it is so budget friendly as well. I will put links to all of this in the description, so do check out. So thank you so much if you watched till the end of the video. I'll be back with more such content, be it beauty, be it lifestyle, be it fashion. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another video. This is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.